The single deadliest American tornado since 1953 tore through Joplin, Missouri on Sunday night, killing 89 people. The death toll is expected to rise as rescuers struggle to find survivors in persistently stormy weather that is plaguing the region. Joplin, located 160 miles south of Kansas City, has a population of 50,000 people. Cries could be heard early Monday morning from people trapped below the wreckage, while crews have been pulling out bodies and lining them up in the streets for loved ones to identify, according to ABC News affiliate KODE. More than 1,000 police and firefighters from 4 states worked in a pouring rainstorm Monday afternoon to aid the rescue effort, according to CNN. The tornado, the 4th deadliest since the National Weather Service began keeping count in 1950, caused significant damage to as many as a quarter of the buildings in the city, officials said. At its apex, the tornado was reported to be a mile in diameter, with winds nearly 200 miles per hour that ravaged a 6-mile stretch of land, according to ABC News. Keith Stammer, Joplin Emergency Management Director, told Good Morning America that all 25 of the city's sirens did activate and that there was a 20-minute notice before the first report of a tornado strike. In addition to bad weather, authorities are telling people not to light any cigarettes because of numerous broken gas pipes, causing concern that what's left of Joplin might go up in flames. While on a trip to Ireland, President Obama has directed FEMA to work with local authorities in all affected areas. For more information on this topic, visit the link below. And for more stories from Mahalo News, visit any of the links above.